Hey guys, so me and my mom just made a bath bomb. We had lots of fun. So we tried to do this and there's a whole bunch of leftovers. So we just decided to mix it all up, and this is how it turned out. Like this. So it's like really hard. It feels like just like a wet dough. So I was thinking that we could experiment with it and we could add some into some water. So let's go and do that. Let's get that in a Tupperware and do it. Oh, that's the best idea ever. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this Tupperware up with water. This big we're gonna see what happens. Right, I think that's good. Okay, we're gonna bring this over to the counter. I'm making a video. And we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so I'm only adding a little bit. Okay. It's not doing anything. This seemed like it would be a lot better. Okay, so it's very glittery. I should add more honey. It's not even bombing. This is just crap. Now it's like this pretty blue, dirty water stuff though. Is this bombing? What is it doing? That looks delicious. I want to eat it. See that? That looks yum. Yum, hun. You see why I wanted to do it in like a Tupperware? Because I didn't want to like ruin the bath. I wouldn't do that for YouTube because I'm not famous. But yeah, hopefully this video is good because it's basically not even worth anything. Nope, hear that ASMR though. I don't know if that's ASMR. We can do a pizza roll ASMR because I made some pizza rolls. Oh, did you hear that? Ooh, that was satisfying. Alright, where's that big chunk? It's not doing anything, but it's just like dissolving. That's not how I planned it, and I'm very disappointed. Ew, that looks gross though. This, like, you see this side? It's like filled with it. I'm just gonna, oh! That feels just like foam. Ooh, now it's on me again. Hey, Mommy. It didn't foam up. When we add it into water, it just dissolves. It doesn't even foam. Like a, okay. Not the real bath bomb, like the confetti cake mix thing. Confetti cake mix. Yeah, that's what I call it. Yeah, anyways, you want to try our bath bomb? Oh, it hasn't been 30 minutes. I would just let it dry for a while, maybe. Yeah. And then I can go live stream it. Because that you can live stream on YouTube now. Nice. You should definitely do that. If it'll let me. Why wouldn't it let you? Because it only lets me do it on my computer, and that when I do it on that computer, did you see the prank call video that I made? I live streamed that on my computer, and you can't hear it because I'll go I don't know why. Because my microphone is. Well, my microphone wasn't set up, and also that camera for my computer is just like really bad. So I'm like blurry basically. Well then. And comment down below if I should make a gaming channel. Cause now, oh, I wouldn't be able to make a gaming channel because I don't have another email. What? I do, but like that's I use this account for it. I mean this channel. Look at that. It's so satisfying. I love it. It feels just like Play-Doh. Yeah. It doesn't hurt my hands anymore. It's glittery and it's pretty. Look at it.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I like it. I really, really. You probably just make it into a circle and let it dry like that.
And it goes, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I don't even know where I learned that from. I don't even know what that song is.
It's an old song.
Yeah. I don't know where I learned it from. Maybe it was in Bring It On.
Maybe. You silly goose pickle.
Ew.
Yes, silly goose pickle.
That smells amazing. I mixed a whole bunch, like as I told you, we just mixed everything after just to have fun. So that included the essential oils. So basically, the cotton candy is all gone. So it was only strawberry and blue raspberry, but it smells amazing. So I call it straw blue raspberry. Straw blue raspberry. Or blue strawberry. No, that sounds weird. Straw blue raspberry. My mom's over there gaming. Now I can't push the stop button. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.